Welcome to this video on engineering education. Okay, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So in this video we'll see how can you start a new branch chapter under student chapter of IEEE. Okay, so in Google, if you give IEEE student chapter petition, okay, if you give these keywords, it will lead you to the web page called https. It will show in the search result, it will show you https://mga.ieee.org. Under that resources operations, under that formations and petitions. Okay, it will go to that page, so you need to click on it. So there you can see the web page with the title IEEE member and geographic activities. It will show. In that, if you go to the second page, you can see access the IEEE geographic unit petition application. Okay, so it will load there. So there you have to log in. Okay, so you can find out as it is in your engineering institution. No, if you want to start a student branch chapter, you have to find out an active student who can lead as the chair. Okay, so you can do that. Okay, so if they enter into that, no, so there they can see the apply for a new petition. Okay, they have to click on that. It's very simple. Okay, so petition information they have to see. Okay, and then organizer, who will be the organizer for the branch chapter under student chapter, that they have to give. Then after that, student branch chapter information automatically it will appear. Okay, then questionnaires will be there. Okay, so if the student branch chapter is approved, how and when will the election take place to complete the branch committee? What are the activities we will cover? Then what plans are in place to keep the student branch chapter active? Then what plans are in place to keep the student branch chapter self-sustaining? Okay, so all these things will be there. So after that, endorsement of IEEE members will be there. So the student branch counselor information we have to give. Then student branch chapter advisor information we have to give. Okay, then after that signature will be there. So here what they are doing, no, IEEE.org, automatically they are fetching the senior IEEE Computer Society members, and they are sending the a petition for their approval. Okay, so they have to click on sign petition. So we should have the repository for our institution who are all the IEEE Computer Society members. Okay, so we can directly we can mail them, and we can alert them if they get any mail, no, so they have to sign in it. Then after that we can the organizer who has applied for that, they will be seeing how many signatures are done by the endorsing people. Okay, so then after that, after everybody 6 signatures are needed, I guess. Okay, after that it will go for IEEE official approvals. Okay, so this is a procedure. So if you want to start branch chapter under IEEE student chapter in your organization, you can do that. Same procedure. Even if you want to start a student chapter in your IEEE student chapter in your organization, if it's not existing in your institution, that this is a procedure you can do it. Okay, if you need any help, you can put it in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye.